Polaroid Originals introduces a new era in photography, the OneStep 2. The world's brightest camera features the most powerful flash ever created. Pressing the shutter button sends light waves towards your subject, which reflect back to create perfectly illuminated pictures in or out of the shadows. This truly state-of-the-art innovation was built in collaboration with Hawkins National Laboratory. And if that's not enough, you can add another dimension to your photography with 16 limited edition frames, 8 designs per pack. Make it a summer you'll never forget with the Polaroid OneStep 2. Get the OneStep 2.
This is the Instax Mini 9. It's super cute and delivers even cuter snaps in seconds. Grab yourself a Mini 9. There's so many colours to choose from. Rip open a pack of Instax Mini film. Batteries go in the side, film goes in the back. Press the little button on the front to turn it on. To turn it off, just push the lens in. On, off, on. Simple. Don't panic. The first shot will be a black piece of plastic. It's just the protective cover. Then your Mini 9 is ready to take a snap. Let's do it. When the camera is on, you'll see a little orange light next to the lens. The Mini 9 is super smart. It figures out the best lighting for your photo, so you don't have to. Just twist the dial and match the dot to the light, and take the perfect snap every time. You can't take a shot if the light is blinking. When you take a photo, this number will go down. When it says 0, it's time to change the film. For amazing close-up shots, use this lens. Then look through the viewfinder and position the O marker a little over to the right, above what you're taking a photo of. For the perfect selfie, always, hold the camera up in front of you, arms straight, and make sure you can see yourself in the selfie mirror. Choose the high key mode for a softer, brighter look. Great for flawless selfies and portraits. It's super flattering. It's also pretty good for when you're in front of a bright light or the sun. There's so many ways to display your mini photos. Scrapbooks make the perfect prezi for mates. And if you want to get really creative, try out all of the awesome deco film styles.